Do you know you can cash out this season and also make something amazing for yourself, friends, and family? Do you want me to show you how? Make sure you stick around this video. I also have a surprise news for you before the end of the video. Welcome to my channel. Let's explore together. So in this recipe, I'll be making corn cookies and I'll be using this quantity of onions as you have seen in the video. I'll be using 1.5 kg of flour. So you take out a portion from the 1.5 kg of flour. You divide your flour, take out 200 grams from the flour, and then our normal way or regular way of making kokoro, then you mix it with coconut milk, about 2 cups of coconut milk. But I would advise you use 500 grams. In this video I use 200 grams. Then we are working with 1.5 kg, but I used 200 grams and I discovered that it was too small. So you just divide your flour into 3, that is 500 grams into 3 places, and the first half just mix it with coconut milk, 2 cups of coconut milk. Then my sugar, I'm using 200 grams of sugar and about half TBS of salt, and in my water I'll add my sugar and salt mixture and then the blended onions, garlic and ginger. Then after it boils, you pour in your slurry and add your chili pepper. I don't want this video to be too long, that is why it seems that it is fast. You can always check out my other videos on how to make kokoro. And thank you so much if you have watched this moment. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. So after then, I added a little quantity of water just to steam a bit, and make sure you control your heat so that your cornstarch will not get burnt. So the remaining portion of the flour, I have 800 grams left, but for you, you should have 500 grams left, and then you divide the 500 grams into 2 also. If you have any questions, just ask in the comment section. So this video is for a reply. Like somebody asked, is it only in sticks that you can make your corn snack? So you can also make your corn snack in cookies shape for business. Yeah, this is commercial recipe. So you can see I needed to add a little quantity of water because my dough was too dry based on the method I used. So after then, you begin to press. You allow it to completely cool. Then you need adding extra flour as you have seen in the video, and then you press just like you want to make chin chin. Make sure you do not exert too much pressure, and use your cookie cutter. You can see the Christmas tree cookie cutter. I was just using oil to damp the dough, and then I placed it in my oven at low heat. First I baked at 120°C for about 1 hour. Then I discovered that some were crunchy and some were not properly done, so I had to return it into the oven. So you should bake for like 2 hours under low heat. It is advisable. You can bake for 120° or 130°C for about 2 hours or more, but make sure that you check every 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this moment, yes, I also have an announcement for you. If you can see the ebook on your screen, it is 20 Q&A on kokoro making. So if you have any questions on kokoro, the book is going to help you to answer all your questions. So I kept on checking the crunchiness of the baked one, but the taste was nice. The sugar quantity came out, the taste came out, the ginger came out. It was so nice. So it is something you should try if you don't like things to be fried. So it was beautiful, it was nice. If you want me to make another video after I've perfected the baked kokoro or baked corn cookies, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video because I'm thinking of adding all-purpose flour. So once I perfect it, if you want me to show you how to package, how to sell, and how I made it, let me know in the comment section. Now let's go into the business proper. We've made our experiment. Now the key to having a crunchy cookie is for you to make sure that your dough is not too thick. When you are cutting out your dough, make sure it is not too thick, and then it will be so crunchy. And for this pouch, you have to measure it first on a scale and make sure it reads 0 before you start packaging. So for this pouch, I'll be packaging at 100 gram each. So for the 100 gram, you can sell it at 1000 naira, at 1500 naira. You can check out my video on how to calculate your cost of production so that you can make sure that you are making profit. And for the ebook, it will save you time, it will save you energy, whether you have made kokoro before and you have a question that you don't understand why it's coming like this, why your kokoro is like that, or why your corn snack is like this, or probably you are just a beginner. The ebook will help you. It is like 20 frequently asked questions about kokoro making or corn stack making. You can see we are almost at our 100 gram.
Explore from cookies to cakes and so much more. Adventurous treats, a world to see. Baking joy and therapy.
So the ebook will guide you. It will just serve as a guide for you that you can quickly go and check if you have any challenges. So it's going to be very, very useful for you, saving you resources, saving you time, and saving you energy. Written by your expert kokoro maker. All right, thank you for watching to this moment. Now I'm going to package the smaller pack. This is 50 gram. For this 50 gram, you can sell it at 200 naira to 15 naira. Yes, you can sell it at all those sizes. Funny enough, I sell at all those sizes. I even have a smaller size than this pack. So you are going to do the same thing for the plastic jars too. So make sure you measure your plastic jar first and tie it to 0. So once it is at 0, then you measure up to 150 gram. For this plastic jar, it is a small plastic jar, so I'll be doing 150 gram, and I'll be selling this for 1500 naira. You can sell for 2000 naira. So your everything is ready. All you have to do now is just to add your sticker and you are ready to go. You are ready to market. So this snack is very delicious. It is okay for people who are tired of taking anything all-purpose flour. So you can introduce this snack to your clients if you are a baker, if you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, and you are looking for a side also. This business is legit, it's profitable, and I am into it already. I can tell you that it is profitable if you know your way around it. So there's no excuse for being broke, there's no excuse for not making money. All you have to do is just to take action and start cashing out. You can see this is the small pack. I package for 15 naira. I also package at 100 naira. So the full details of the ebook will be in the comments section. Do check it out. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section, and watch my other video on how to make corn snack or corn cookies. If there's any other video you want me to make, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out the ebook.